If you sell anything, this video is just for you. Do you want more sales? Do you want more loyal customers that are going to keep coming back to you? Basically, do you want to earn more money? I know the answer is yes to all of the above because I sell stuff too. I have other companies, not just Goldlist, where I'm selling stuff all day long. Insurance, cars, and other high value assets. So I know the difficulties in selling. Because I know the difficulties in selling, I've created a platform to help me and you as business owners to get new clients in the fastest possible way. I've created a platform that allows clients to direct message any business anywhere in the world. I've created a platform that also puts the onus straight back onto the business to deliver the very best customer service to your clients. And they're the reasons why I created Goldlist app. Say for example, you sell cars. You might be based in the UK, but you could sell cars anywhere in the world. There are many other right-hand drive countries such as Indonesia, Thailand, Australia that could buy cars from the UK. You've got your business profile on Goldlist for free, and you get that exposure to clients and other businesses that buy cars from all over the world. How good is that? Say for example, you sell properties in the UK. What you might have is a fantastic home for sale that someone overseas might want to buy. They might be relocating to the UK, or they might just live in a different country as well as the UK. But they use Goldlist app to find your agency and your business on their platform so that they can connect with you faster than ever before. They simply drop you a message and say, I'm interested in this property, or I'm looking to relocate to the UK, please can you help me? It will come through to your phone, and from there you can reply instantly back to them. There's a new door that's just opened up for you and your business, connecting you with clients overseas, nationally, or even on your doorstep. If you're the best business in your industry, then you really need to be on Goldlist. We've got no competitors. There's nothing else out there like it. It's totally unique. Be one step ahead of your competitor as well and join Goldlist today. To create your free profile, simply visit our website, goldlist.app, and you can register your business there in moments, and you'll be live to get new clients instantly. Please share this video because we want as many businesses as possible and clients to know all about Goldlist. Over to you guys, and we look forward to seeing you on Goldlist app.